Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you guys how to bring your flowers onto some copy paper. So I went out and in my garden, out in my garden, I went and picked all my flowers that I like, and I photocopied them on my printer. So I just wanted to do a quick video with you guys just to talk about it, how to do it, and look through my stuff and then the best way that they came out. So there we go. So it's kind of rolling up. I need to press them. They're all rolling up on me. But so this one is my big, huge rose that I did. This is my big rose flower, and I love it. And then I did some violets and dahlias and pansies and just different petunias, and that's my smaller rose flowers here. That's actually my climbing rose bush, and it's huge, but it does the little cute little roses on them, and it just climbs up the side of the house, and it's just it's huge. It's so cool. And I will put that, I think you guys saw that, I put it at the beginning of the video here, and show you guys me picking the flowers and stuff, just to have something to look at. And it was really fun. So you just go out, you get all the flowers that you want, then you go to your photocopier and lift up the top part, the scan part, and place your flowers face down on top how you want them. And then this is the part that I tested out, where I did some parchment paper behind it on these, and I use my parchment paper that I've coffee dyed, because I coffee dye paper towels on it and all different kinds of stuff. And I always work with this underneath me and have some stamping and stuff on it, so just word stamps. So I thought that would be kind of fun to, after you put your flowers down, face down in your scanner, you could put this just on top like that, and then close the lid and just close it down tight, and then, you know, push print and print it off. And that's what happens behind it. So you got the darker background like that. So that's definitely one option to do. And I thought it turned out really cool with the, it seems like it's upside down, huh? It turned out really cool with like the lighter pansies and stuff, my yellow pansies and the dahlias and all that. But you can either just have this in your junk journal as a page, which would be kind of cool, and then you know, maybe trim around the edges or something. But or you could take it and fussy cut out, which, you know, I've done some fussy cutting here just with the pansy, so you can go ahead and do that. I mean, they turn out really cool. And then you could do some artwork with it. And actually, I would like to hear down below if you guys would like to see what I do with these little flower cutouts. Please comment down below, and I would love to know. And if I get enough comments, I will definitely show you guys a cool project that I have in mind to do with that. But that's the dark on the outside, on the back. So that's what those turn out. I need to press all these. They're all full, rolling up on me. Okay, so we got those. I just wanted to kind of show you guys just the dark background here. And then I went ahead and did some greenery. I did like the dahlia leaves and stuff. So you could throw some leaves in there. And then I did a rose bud. If you could see that one. I did a rose bud here, which I think is really cool. And then my violets, those are cool. So yeah, I think they all turned out neat. And you can see the words behind it. So that's something to keep in mind, is you could do something cool behind if you want to make this like a journaling page, or, you know, like in your journal, and just keep the whole thing, which is really neat. Okay, and then this is white background. So I just took another piece of blank copy paper and put that on the back of it, and then shut the lid. So this is what it looks like when it's just white in the background. And these really show up, and the dark stuff. So that's definitely another way to do it. So I think they turn out. And then this is my rose bush. Those are the leaves for those. And then I did one of my big roses here. I had a big bloom out there, but I don't know why the shadow came out like that around it. But this would be a good one to fussy cut, you know, and that could be just, that'd be neat on like a journal cover, or, you know, do a fun journal page and do some neat stuff around it. So I think they turn out really cool. And this one kind of got lines through it and a little blurry, but I would still use it. And then I did a press like that and did some photocopy. I just pressed that one. And then another rosebud here. So whatever you can find out in your yard, and, you know, leaves definitely come out really cool. Some of these started getting lines through them, so I'm not sure. So I don't know if I like the dark brown background that I did. This one kind of came out blurry. So it just depends on how good a seal you get down on it, and I'm not quite sure. I mean, you can see some of the shadows and stuff through it, but it still kind of looks neat. I think it would be kind of fun, you know, to have a page like that. Okay, and then I did my pansies. I don't know what's upside down or right side up. I don't think it matters, but I did some pansies that weren't quite open before they bloomed. I put some of those in there, and then some violets. I just had different colored. I like the light ones, and then just different colored violets on it. So I thought that was kind of fun. I did the same copy. I did a couple copies of that. And this is one that I fussy cut some out already. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you guys that go out, go pick your, you know, pick your flowers out in your yard, or, you know, wherever you go for a walk or something like that, and just get some flowers and bring them back and photocopy them. Because then you guys can use these in the dead of winter when there's no flowers around, and put these into your projects all year round, you know? And you can even just take this one, go put it on your printer, and just copy it again, you know? And then you have more flowers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.